Hello, we are here for a very important reason. A breaking news. The Boeing 737 MAX is recertified in the United States. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, has reinstated the Boeing 737 MAX operating certificate. The approval gives airlines the green light to prepare to return the type to service. This means that once the airlines will be able to return their aircraft to service once they have actioned work specified in the relevant airworthiness directive and completed crew training. Southwest Airlines recently said that it will train every single pilot on the 737 MAX before it returns the type to service. What will happen in other countries? Today's news from the FAA is only applicable to the US airlines and registered aircraft. One would expect that Canada may be one of the next countries to unground the aircraft, as it was one of the countries to test fly the aircraft prior to the FAA's recertification. Alongside Europe's EASA, Brazil was also included in the Joint Operations Evaluation Board that met to review the results from test flights. Here, please refresh the page for latest update. So let's do that. Maybe something. Why don't happen? Well, alright. Here also says FAA Administrator Steve Dixon said that he will put his own family on the Boeing 737 MAX. Yeah. Here's a American 737 MAX. The delivery is highly likely to start with those going to the United States-based airlines. This will be entirely overseen by the FAA, with no further certification needed as long as they are operated domestically. However, when the first US airlines returns to flying, the aircraft is unknown. Alright, thank you for watching, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.